GoodRx Care Review. My honest experience using this online doctor service in 2025. Accessing healthcare remotely has never been easier, and GoodRx Care promises convenient online doctor visits. I tried it out, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume telehealth is just for minor consultations. The surprising truth is GoodRx Care handles prescriptions, chronic condition management, and urgent care issues all online. Signing up was straightforward. You create an account, fill out a medical form, and select a virtual appointment. The platform is mobile-friendly, and waiting times are minimal, usually under 15 minutes. The consultation itself was smooth. The doctor reviewed my symptoms, asked follow-up questions, and prescribed medication when appropriate. The prescription could be sent directly to my preferred pharmacy, which saved a trip. Cost is transparent. Appointments are reasonably priced compared to in-person visits, and GoodRx Care offers discount options for medications through their pharmacy network. The only downside is that complex or emergency conditions cannot be handled online. For those situations, in-person care is necessary. However, for routine issues, this platform is extremely convenient. In conclusion, GoodRx Care is a reliable, fast, and affordable online doctor service. If you value convenience, easy prescription management, and quality care from home, it's worth trying.